So in my previous video, I said I would do a part 2 for 5 to show you guys the fireworks, and right now is the time to show the fireworks. So let's go and do this. Let's teleport. Ready? Woo! Yay! They're mostly over there. Whee! Say hi. Say hi. Whoa! Woo! I didn't catch that. That is sad. Oh look, there's the red ones. Whee! Woo! Guys, there's literally so much. They've been going on for a long time. Woo! That's big. This, I think I know how it feels like to be in the purge. This is like death to me. I used to be crazy scared of fireworks. Wow. Woo!
Tú estás cocinando. No, yo estaba con esto, pero...
Me hubieras traído los del pueblo.
Sí. Los cotones.
Oh my god.
No, es que nosotros estamos en septiembre.
I'm not even filming at the sky. That's legit, guys. Woo! Let's go back inside and talk. That was awesome, right? You guys have to say it was awesome. That was really fun. I thought that was a good experiment, you know, to do a little YouTube. They're still going on, but that's all. Don't forget to give this a big thumbs up. Guys, you will not just believe what happened. I just dropped this thing right here, tablet. I'm so sorry for that. But don't forget a big thumbs up, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye. Why you gotta make things so complicated?